Namaste. Many parents are asking for the jolly phonics rhymes, action, and the sound of each letter. So here it goes. मी आता तुम्हाला सगळे साऊंड्स सगळे लेटर्सची ॲक्शन सांगणार आहे. सो मेक शुअर जेव्हा आपण जेव्हा आपण राईम प्ले करतो तेव्हा त्या पूर्ण राईममध्ये बाकीची कुठलीच ॲक्शन न करता फक्त जेव्हा साऊंड घेतला जातो फक्त त्या साऊंडची आपल्याला ॲक्शन करायची आहे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट कुठलीच ॲक्शन आपल्याला करायची नाही. सो चाइल्ड कॅन असोसिएट द ॲक्शन टू द साऊंड. तर आपण बाकीच्या देखील ॲक्शन्स केल्यानंतर चाइल्ड विल गेट कन्फ्युज की नेमकी कुठली ॲक्शन आहे कुठल्या लेटरची.
Ah. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba, ba. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. D. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Eh. Eggs in the pan, eh eh eh. Eggs in the pan, eh eh eh. Eggs in the pan, eh eh eh. Crack the egg like this, eh. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a g g g g g. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet. J. Jello and jam, jiggling on a plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Ooh. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise. Ah. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. The duck in the pond quacks, quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. The duck in the pond quacks, quack, quack, quack. All around the pond. See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Drive Vix van round the village, drive Vix van round the village, drive Vix van round the village. I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong. Take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand.
Yeah.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah, 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 yeah. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
Thank you very much. I hope you all understand all the rhymes, letters, sounds and the actions. To learn the action and the sound is very important in junior and senior KG. If a child is not able to recognize or remind the sound of a particular letter, you can just simply show the action so the child can associate the action to the letter and the sound, and the child will easily write letter A. Likewise, for all the letters, you can show actions, rhymes and the sound. Thank you.